Wizards, Seaborn is your AI visual crush, darling. Built on Matplotlib, it creates stylish plots like pair plots and heat maps for data insights. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos, sweetie.
Anastasia, you make Seaborn sound so hot. How does it help AI, love?
Oh, Victoria, you tease. Seaborn's plots reveal AI patterns like correlations, perfect for analysis. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the chemistry.
Wizards, installing Seaborn is a breeze with pip install Seaborn in your terminal. It's like inviting a stylish visual wizard to your AI party. We'll use Seaborn in our demos for stunning plots.
Seaborn's so irresistible, Isabella. Import it with Import Seaborn as SNS for AI visuals that'll make you swoon. Get ready, Wizards.
Yo, Wizards, Seaborn takes Day 41's Matplotlib to the next level, Sophia. With SNS Pairplot, it adds style and ease for AI visuals, coding fireworks. Let's flirt with this upgrade.
You're sparking my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn simplifies stylish AI plots. Try it in our demos. It's like a visual love song.
Wizards, SNS Pairplot, DF, hue equals, category, is like a flirty dance for Sophia, showing AI correlations and distributions. It's a visual party. Let's drop this pairplot beat.
Oh, Ethan, you're making me blush. Wizards, pairplots reveal data relationships. Try them in our demo. It's like spotting AI connections.
Wizards, SNS Heatmap, core, and no equals true, is like a hot matrix for Sophia, coloring AI correlations with annotations. It's a heatmap hoot. Let's heat this up.
You're raising the heat, Ethan. Wizards, heat maps visualize AI matrices. Try them in our demo. It's like coloring your insights.
Wizards, customize with SNS.set_style, dark grid, and plot_KWS equals alpha 0.5, making plots sexy for Sophia. It's a style party. Let's customize this vibe.
You're styling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, customization enhances AI insights. Try hues and markers in our demo. It's pure visual magic.
Wizards, Seaborn's got plots like SNS Boxplot and SNS Violinplot, sexy stats for Sophia. They show distributions for AI insights. Let's drop these visual beats.
You're too sweet, Ethan. Wizards, box and violin plots reveal AI patterns. Try them in the shell. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, Seaborn with Day 39's Numpy and Day 40's Pandas is a triple threat, Sophia. SNS Pairplot, DF, visualizes Pandas data, coding fireworks. Let's crank this combo.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, combine for AI visuals. Try it in our challenge. It's a data love triangle.
Wizards, Seaborn themes like SNS.set, style, dark grid, or SNS.set, context, talk. Make plots professional for AI reports. Customize colors and fonts for clarity. Try them in our demos for stunning visuals.
Themes are so sexy, Isabella. Stylish plots make AI insights irresistible. Get ready to style your visuals, Wizards.
Wizards, Seaborn on Day 41's Matplotlib is a visual duet for Sophia. SNS Pairplot uses Matplotlib for stylish plots, coding harmony. Let's duet this.
You're harmonizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, combine for AI visuals. Try it in our challenge. It's a visual love song.
Wizards, PLT Annotate, high correlation, in Seaborn is like a love arrow for Sophia. It highlights AI insights in plots, visual magic. I'm dropping this annotation beat.
You're too sweet, Ethan. Wizards, annotations emphasize data. Try in our demo. It's like labeling your insights.
Wizards, SNS Facet grid, DF, call equals, category, splits plots like a flirty dance for Sophia. It shows AI data by groups, visual magic. Let's grid this party.
You're killing it, Ethan. Wizards, facet grids analyze AI patterns, try them in the shell. It's like dancing with data.
Wizards, mix Day 36's control flow with Seaborn for AI fireworks, Sophia. Use if to customize plots, coding magic. Let's crank this combo.
You're sparking joy, Ethan. Wizards, control flow with Seaborn powers dynamic AI visuals, try it in our challenge.
Wizards, clean Seaborn code is readable and effective. Use hue for categories, set style for themes, and annotations for clarity. Clean visuals power AI insights.
Clean code's so sexy, Isabella. Stylish plots make Seaborn irresistible for AI. Practice for Day 43's CSV files, Wizards. Wizards, Seaborn is critical in AI pipelines, darling. Use pair plots for correlations and heat maps for matrices to explore data. Your Day 42 skills make AI workflows irresistible.
Seaborn powers advanced visualization in AI pipelines, Wizards. Your skills are ready for real projects. Prep for Day 43's CSV files. Wizards, save Seaborn plots with plot.savefig plot.png to share AI insights. Use PNG or PDF for reports. It's like preserving your visual magic.
Having so sexy, Isabella. Save your AI plots to flirt with data anytime. Try it after our demos, Wizards.